Hello everyone, my name is Dharmik Joshi from BE Computer Engineering Department. In this video, I'll be demonstrating our BE major project working. Our project name is Attendance Information System using NFC and Web-Based Application for Academic Sector. My group number is 07. Project group members are Dharmik Joshi, Dhruv Walsa and Ritika Satilkar. Our project guide is Dr. Vinayak Shinde. Our project objectives are to generate attendance report for different departments, check out logs of student, get students monthly and weekly report, get subject based attendance details, provide a contactless attendance system, find which student present in which class, for lower attendance send alert to parents, monthly attendance report to parents, find day-to-day attendance. In our major project, first actor is super admin. Super admin is a project manager or a project owner who can create department admin. Department admin is the in charge of a department or a class. Let's register a new admin. With this, our department admin will receive the credentials to log in into our system. As we can see, department admin has received the username and password to log in into the application. With this, we'll be logging into the application. Our second actor is department admin. Admin can log in with provided credentials. Very first step is to create a department. It will be redirected to department dashboard where we can see all the details of department. Now let's go to token page and add a few tokens to assign to students and faculty. Our next step is to add classroom data for the department. Next step is to add subject for the department. Next step is to add faculty for the department. In this part, we have to assign a NFC token to faculty for a unique identity. With faculty, we have to provide credentials for login. Now we'll be creating login. This faculty is assigned to a particular NFC token. Now let's add students of department. Along with the student data, we have to assign a NFC token for unique identity. Once we add student information, we can click on this expand button and see the details of a particular student. Now, along with the student data, we are also going to add students' personal information like the age, and guardian contacts and guardian mail address. Data has been successfully added. Now our next step is to create a lecture to take attendance. Let's go to timetable, click on a day, select lecture number, select subject, select faculty, select classroom, and set the timer. Add. Now we'll use NFC tokens to set status of student as login inside of class. With the help of login API from Arduino side, uh, Dharmik Joshi is set to be inside of class. We'll do the same for the all of student. In our case, we have set Dhruv Walsa and Ritika Satlekar as login inside the class and Dharmik Joshi as log out of the class. Our next actor is faculty who will mark students' attendance. Once faculty is inside the class, faculty can log in into the system with the provided credentials from department admin. As we can see, the faculty is present in class number 301 and these are the log data of faculty. Faculty will click on this mark attendance button and generate a attendance for students. As we can see, uh, Dhruv Pualsa and Ritika Satlekar are marked as present as they were present inside the class, and Dharmik Joshi is marked as absent as it was outside of the class. A faculty can download this attendance. At this point, we have achieved our first objective of taking a attendance. Now let's go back to the dashboard page. We can see the two attendance of Dhruv Pualsa and Ritika Satlekar are marked as a buffer attendance, and absent is marked as permanent absent. These buffer attendance will be converted to permanent attendance as students log out of the class. At this point, all students are present outside of the class, so the buffer attendance becomes 0. Now let's go to student data and expand the details. As we can see, student is marked as present for the Java lecture and average attendance is 100%. In case of Dharmik, attendance is 0 as it was not marked. On the dashboard page, in this section, we can see the weekly report of department. At this point, we have achieved our next objective. On student details page, we can see which student present in which class. So we have achieved our next objective. In the below section, we can see subject based attendance. We can expand these details. Here we can see the logs of student. On the student details page, we can click on to the show monthly report and we can see the average monthly report of a student. We can download. At this point, our taking monthly report objective is achieved. To check subject attendance per day, we can go to the check attendance section, select subject, select the date, click on show attendance, and here we can see students present for the lecture on a particular day for a particular subject. We can also download this report. At this point, we have achieved our next objective. To send monthly reports or attendance alert report to parents or guardian, we can go to this send mail section. Here we can select the month. Here Here we can see students' average attendance over the month. We can click on the send attendance to Guardian. The details of the student attendance will be mailed to their guardians. As we can see, Ritika's guardian has received an email that Ritika's average attendance is 100%. Attendance, this attendance is calculated by attendance management system. To create an alert, we can click on the send alert. We can select a minimum attendance of 50, and all the students who has a minimum average attendance less than 50 will their guardians will get a alert that their students attendance is very low. Here we can see Dharmik Joshi's guardian has received a alert mail that says that Dharmik Joshi has average attendance of 0.0%, which is minimum than 75% attendance. At this point, we have achieved our next objective of sending alert and sending monthly or average attendance to the guardians. Hence, I have demonstrated our major project working along with the objectives.